Welcome to my channel, where legends come to life, and today, we are diving deep into the powerhouse that has ruled the roads, conquered the deserts, and earned its crown as one of the most reliable diesel engines ever made, the Nissan TD42. This isn't just an engine, it's a legacy. Built for power, designed to last, and crafted with simplicity, yet holding the heart of a beast. From the rugged mountains to the endless highways, the TD42 has stood the test of time like no other. Every owner, every driver who's ever experienced the raw strength of a TD42 knows, this is not just a motor, this is trust forged in metal and oil. When Nissan introduced the TD42, they didn't just make an engine, they made a statement. This inline 6-cylinder 4.2-liter diesel is a masterpiece of engineering, free from unnecessary electronics and full of mechanical brilliance. It breathes power with every rotation, and it roars like a lion when pushed to its limits. The TD42 runs with indirect injection, keeping its fuel delivery strong and consistent, no matter the climate or condition. Rain, heat, dust, mud, nothing can break its spirit. It's a true workhorse, but it's not just about strength. It's about reliability, the kind of reliability that gives you peace of mind no matter where the journey takes you. But here's the exciting part. The legend isn't standing still. Enthusiasts and Nissan lovers around the world are breathing new life into the TD42. With modern turbochargers, high-performance injectors, upgraded fuel pumps, and cutting-edge intercoolers, the TD42 has become more than just an old-school diesel. It's become a performance icon. Tuners have pushed these engines beyond 300 horsepower, even 400 horsepower, while keeping the soul of the TD42 intact. That deep diesel grunt, the low-end torque that pulls like a freight train, and the unmistakable reliability, all of it enhanced for the modern era. And the updates don't stop there. Recently, custom builders and aftermarket specialists have started introducing TD42 electronic management systems, giving owners precise control over fuel delivery and turbo boost. With real-time tuning, you can switch from off-road beast to highway cruiser with a simple adjustment. The latest stainless steel exhaust systems designed specifically for the TD42 not only boost performance but give that deep aggressive tone that sends chills down your spine. One of the most exciting developments in the TD42 community is the release of billet performance parts. From forged pistons to stronger connecting rods, and even billet cylinder heads, these upgrades are rewriting what the TD42 can do. Whether you want reliability for cross-country overlanding or you're building a high-horsepower monster for drag racing, the TD42 platform is ready to evolve with you. Nissan might have built the foundation, but the community